Mix.
Oh, I'm seeing this morning.
Sorry.
All right, hot topics then. Do some work.
Yeah, we
do
were
some
talking
work.
about Irma. I'm so tempted always to say Irma because that's usually how we hear about it. By the way, do you know there's an actual Irma and Harvey who are married? Harvey is 102, Irma is 95. A married couple who've been together for 75 years.
I didn't know
who
that.
are watching these two storms wreaking havoc and just stunned at the uncanniness of the story.
I know there was a youngster who was born, and the mother was lifted and taken to the hospital, and she named the son Harvey.
Oh, wow. Well, there's a Harvey and Irma. Incredible. Well,
Incredible.
We know what damage has been happening so far. It's kind of flattened, as Nev said. Barbuda, Turks and Caicos started taking a beating yesterday.
Look at that.
Antigua was spared the most of it, but it's really walloping through. And the thing with this hurricane is that I think it's at like 175 miles per hour now, so it's slowed down a little bit, but it's so huge that even meteorologists are confounded by this monster. So no, it looks like it's heading on to Miami, where it could slam into Miami this very weekend. The storm has gone between Cuba, Turks and Caicos, early Friday morning. It's expected to move westward towards the Bahamas. It's been downgraded, they say, to an extremely dangerous Category 4 storm now. Winds reaching a sustained maximum of 155 miles per hour. Look at that, Neville. Look at that.
Whoa.
You never used to play a car like that when you were little, don't you?
Whoa, look at that.
Jeez, I'm fire. Well, they say 10 people have been killed. Wow.
Yeah.
As Irma pummeled small northeastern Caribbean islands like Barbuda.
Look at this. Look at this one.
In Puerto
That's a
Rico.
car right there that's turned on the side, by the way. My kid's mom lives in Broward County. She tells me that she's going to be hit.
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna be.
And the problem with the evacuation is that everybody's trying to get out. There are two ways to get out. Everybody's trying to get out. So as you can see, it's congested. People trying to get gas. Gas stations are running out of fuel. It's just really very frightening.
And you know, the police now, they have to be escorting the gas
trunks, the tankers.
Yeah.
Whew.
That's the path. And luckily it's turned and going away from us here. But even outside now looks a little, I don't know if ominous is the word. It's not bright, but it's not. It just looks like we might get some rain or something. So y'all be.
So at least 10 people dead, including 4 in St. Martin, 4 in the USVI, 1 in Anguilla, 1 in Barbuda. Warnings in effect for parts of Cuba, Haiti, Turks, and the Bahamas. I'm just praying for Haiti right now.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
All right. On a lighter note, we have a video to show you. Look at this.
Today.
Sometime. Look at that.
We hope you let the people that had the hurricane, we let the hurricane to go away. We let you to be God, and we thank you. We thank you for this day. We will not call the Lord's name ever bad. You help all the people with the hurricane to be very brave and get a strong house. You let my cousin that has a hurricane house be very strong, and they don't, and nothing happens. We help them to be very, very, very careful. There's some bad people on the road, God. We help you to let them to be obedient. We don't want them to be disobedient, so we always will try to be safe. Amen.
Oh, man. Empress, you're training
Kush Beg McCallum.
Oh, geez.
And Zipporah. So Kush Beg and Zipporah. There you go.
Well done, Kush.
Yeah,
those are Empress's precious gems.
Yeah,
Kush is giving out a word for all the folks who are affected by the storm. Believe me, it's not a joke. So are we heading into birthdays now?
Yeah.
Then go on.
Come, me let off the first one. This is our colleague Everton Thorpe, cameraman. Birthday today. There he is. Happy birthday, sir.
Fresh and clean, as always. Here,
hope you have a great day today. Many, many happy returns. I have another picture to show you all. I will show you in a minute. Her name is Nekea Martin. She's 17 years old today. Goes to Woolmans in sixth form at Woolmans. Don't worry, I'll find it shortly. Right there. There she is. Her dad, Ricky Martin, her mom, Sophia, they say that you are the greatest thing ever happened in life. And I hope you have a brilliant day. 17 is just a nice age. There you go. Happy birthday to twins Ariane and Ariel Bell. They're 15 today.
Would I miss to you, please?
Good friends.
Oh.
From Mom Celia, Dad Louis, your brother Alex, your sisters Kerry and Tina, and of course your aunts and your uncles and Auntie Sharon and everybody. So Ariane and Ariel, have a great day. Brianna, it's Brianna's birthday today.
That's our makeup artist, Kamika's daughter.
Yeah.
Brianna has a birthday.
And who else?
Jenny's birthday is today? Was yesterday. Happy birthday, Jenny.
Who else have a birthday?
A very special spark in both our lives.
Yep.
Celebrates a birthday today.
Yup.
The great Yen Dizzle Yenty.
Pendy.
Wednesday wife.
Well, not anymore. We divorced. We can't tell her not to say upon a Wednesday.
Yeah,
divorce
but you have to
proceedings.
see her too. I can't tell her it done on TV. That's just tacky.
All right, you're not done.
On her birthday?
It's not
What
done.
kind of man are you? Yendi, that's for you, Jens. I love you, girl.
I love you much, girl.
Today.
Yendizzle, snizzle, whistle.
All right.
I think I leave out somebody.
Yeah, I'm sure by the time we come back.
I don't know. Happy birthday, folks.
What?
I know we will. Because our hearts tell us so.